Hello everyone, welcome to the channel The Enders Trader. This is Gopichan. Let us get into the topic straight away. Let us look into Bank Nifty first. Bank Nifty was above this region for a lot of time yesterday. It tested this zone multiple times but stayed strong above this zone for a long period of time. Eventually it broke down, but still this is an important level to look out for today. This point is known as the turning point. So I marked this level before the market opens. Uh, After the market opened, the first candle itself broke this level. The price came below this level. It took support from the CPR and bounced back, but still there is a rejection at the same zone. Whenever there is a whenever the support is broken, the support becomes a resistance for the next. So when the price came back to this level and got rejection, this is a strong resistance. The price should check the next support zone. The next support zone is the day's low. This is the next support zone. So this should have been the best shorting opportunity in Bank Nifty. Your target should have been to the day's low, PDL. The second opportunity is at this zone. Bank Nifty took support from the demand zone and came out of the demand zone. There is a 20 EMS support also at this zone, so this should have been the best opportunity to long, and your target hook could be to the previous day low. These are the two chances in Bank Nifty to trade for today. Let us look into Nifty. Even Nifty stayed above this zone for a long time. This acted as a crucial support zone for Nifty yesterday. Eventually, Nifty also broke this zone and had a good fall. Today, today the second candle broke the crucial zone, and this zone will act as a resistance now. So on the fourth candle, both Nifty and Bank Nifty made a rejection at their crucial zones respectively. So this is clearly a shorting opportunity in both the indices. So your target in Nifty should also to be to the day's low, previous day's low. This is the first chance, and the second chance is there is a cup and handle pattern formed in Nifty, if you observe. So whenever there is a cup and handle pattern formed in the chart, this indicates after the breakout, the price goes up. To what extent? What is the target? Fine, this is the entry, but what is the target? So whenever you see this pattern, remember, measure the length of or the depth of the cup, and your target should be of the same length from here, from the breakout point. So just clone this, place this arrow here. So this should have been your target, but market closed before giving the target. So even at this point you were in profits. So remember this pattern if you see it the next time. So shorting here and longing here are the two opportunities in Nifty, and shorting here and longing here are the two opportunities in Bank Nifty. Let us look for the important levels in Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So Nifty broke the PDL and checked the demand zone on the lower side and bounced back from the demand zone. So again got rejection at the PDL. So this should be the important zone to look after for tomorrow. Let me draw it for you. This should be the important zone to look out for tomorrow, as This is the turning point for today, and even this should also be looked out. So these are the two important levels to look out for tomorrow. There is a demand zone on the lower side as well. Even this is an important level. So look out for the levels depending upon the opening of the market. And coming to Nifty, the important levels are this: the last swing high of Nifty day before yesterday, and the last swing high of today, both are same. And also Nifty broke, after Nifty broke the level, the previous last swing high of yesterday, it had a huge fall. So this could be considered as the important level to look out for tomorrow. Let us mark this for tomorrow. So these are the important levels to look out for tomorrow in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.